In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Valorant from your PC or laptop. First, if you have Valorant or the Riot Client open, close it down, head to this arrow pointing up, click on it, and right-click on any Riot Client or Valorant and close it down. Once you've closed down Valorant or anything associated with Valorant, in the search bar or in the Windows icon, anywhere, go to Settings, click on Apps, Installed Apps, and in the search type in Valorant. Click on the three dots and click on Uninstall and uninstall again. Once it's finished, click on Done and close down the settings. Open up your File Explorer, go to the drive where Valorant is installed on, and click on Riot Games. For some people, there is still going to be a Valorant folder here. If there is, just go ahead and right click on it and click on delete, but for me it isn't. But if you have a Valorant folder here, just delete it, then close down File Explorer. Now press the Windows icon and R, or just right click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Now type in %local app data %, click on OK. Now click on V and it will throw you to the Valorant folder. Right click on it and click on delete. Now close down File Explorer, right click on your recycle bin and empty your recycle bin. If this pops up, do this for all current items, click on continue. And that's it, you have successfully uninstalled Valorant from your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.